Movie update. We Before All is showing on MUN Media TV or MUN Media Entertainment. We have Martha, Ruby Okezie in the movie and many others, guys. So this movie not too familiar with the channel. I saw it, I had a snippet of it, and I'm like, okay, yeah, this will be quite interesting for my subscribers as well. So if you're a fan of these actors, do want to check the channel called M Media Entertainment. That's MUN Media Entertainment, where you can find this movie called We Before All. I'll see you guys next movie update and reviews.